Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to be showing you ATI Clicks, which if you sign on as from today and you begin to do tasks like clicking on ads and taking surveys and other offers, you begin to make money online. As you can see, this is the ATI Clicks interface right here. As you can see, I am on their website. To get to their official website, just go to your browser and type in aticlicks.net. As you can see, these are the different payment options like Perfect Money, Pay, ATM, and all the like, depending on the country in which you are signing up for an account for. So in my own country, I don't have PayPal and other payment methods. You may have for your own depending on the country in which you are signing up for an account with ATI Clicks. So you can earn money by completing offers, paid to promote, offering, referring others, tax bonuses, and taking surveys. But I'm going to be focusing on clicking on ads and making money online with ATI Clicks. So to do so, you need to register by clicking on register on the right hand side of your screen. When you click on register, you need to fill in some information such as the general information, which include your names, your email address, your year of birth, your date of birth, and all the like. You equally need to verify this image by clicking on I am not a robot, and you agree to the terms and conditions. Then you click on register. So if you don't have an account yet, you follow these steps and you register for an account with ATI Clicks. So they say we would like to welcome you as a new member, which is to this site, which is a way for you to earn money on this platform. So I'm just going to go ahead after creating an account to log into my account right here. As you can see, I have already saved my username and password. I'm just going to click on the captcha and I log in. As you can see, this is my account right here, and because I'm signing up for a new account, as you can see, everything on my account is 0000 because I haven't do any tax yet on this website. So you can upgrade your account, you can advertise as an advertiser, take surveys, do daily offers, and all the like. As you can see, I'm still having 0 on my account here because I have not yet do any tax on this site. So each time you sign up, you have a sign up bonus of 25 cents, as you can see here. So all transactions that you do on this site will be reflected on this section of my account. So when you click on earn money and you click on view advertisement, these are the different ways in which you can make money on this platform. These are the different ways. So when you click on view advertisement, this is to enable you to be clicking ads on this site and to make money. So the first option is by viewing ads. View ads. So after you click on view ads, it will take you to this section where you have so many ads in which you will be required to click on them. And each ad that you click here, as you can see, you need to wait for 7 seconds for the site to open, and you follow any instruction that is being asked. As you can see, I've clicked on the first ad and the site is opening right here. You can see on top of the screen they say click the upside down picture. So I'm just going to go ahead. I look at the upside down picture and I click on it, they say thank you for watching, you have been credited. So that's all about the site. I'll just go ahead, I close, and I go and I click the second one. So you click where they say click here. As you can see, I'm already done with this. So I'm just going to click on click here. Then the second ad will open and I have to wait for at least 7 seconds for the ad to open up. So you just need to hold on for the set time that you have been asked. Then they say click the upside down picture. So you just come on top of your screen right here and you click on the image that you see that is upside down. As you can see, I'm just going to look at the image here that is upside down and I click on it. Immediately you click on it, they say please wait. Then they say thank you for watching, you have been credited. So that's how you keep on doing for all the other ones. So I'm just going to hurriedly click on the rest of the ads. Then I select the upside down images. I make sure that I click each and every day. There are new ads on this site which if you come and click on, you make money. And then at the end of the day, when you go over to your account, which is the my account section, you will be able to see how much you have actually made for that day. So how does this site function? Advertisers pay this site to advertise their products, and as a result, each of the product that they advertise is being placed on this website. And when you click on each of the ads, you will open up to different services or goods that those companies are selling. And if you actually purchase a service through this advertisement site, they will equally make a commission. But if you just click on the ads and open it without buying or doing anything, you still have money. So when I finish, I click on my account. As you can see 23 cents that I have made just by clicking on these ads in 21 minutes. So I've earned 47 cents in 21 minutes. So as you can see, which is the sign up bonus and the ads that I've clicked. So as you can see, I've made, they say your total clicks is equals to 9. So I've clicked 9 ads in 21 minutes. So I've made 23 cents in 21 minutes. So if I keep doing this same process each and every day, that's how money will continue to increase in my account, and I will cash out using the different method that I just showed you on the home page. So you can use your PayPal account to cash out depending on the payment methods that are available in your country. You can equally upgrade your account, and there are 3 levels of the upgrade, which is the standard level, the golden level, and the ultimate level. For the standard level, it is free. You don't need to pay any amount. So each and every new member that sign up for an account with this site, you automatically become a standard member. If you want to upgrade to the golden level, you have to pay $15 every month. And if you want to upgrade to the ultimate level, you pay $65 every month. It should be noted that each and every level have this different amounts that they equally make on each day. For the standard level is 2 cents, 0.2. For the golden level is 1 cent, and for the ultimate level is 2 cents per day. So depending on the level in which you are, it will equally determine how much you equally make on this platform. For the standard level, the earnings is really low, but if you want to upgrade it to make more money on this platform fast, you can upgrade to the golden level or to the ultimate level. So these are the 3 levels in which you can actually work on this platform with. You can equally take daily offers on this site, and these daily offers are offers that are available on a daily basis. There's equally surveys. Okay, as you can see, this is the lootably offers. As you can see, these are different offers that are available on a daily basis that you can equally participate on this site, and money and points will be added to your account. As you can see, some of these offers are games and all the like, which you need to download and play them on your mobile phone or on your desktop or on your laptop, depending on the device that you are using. Equally, come over to this earn money and you click on the drop down arrow. As you can see, this is the lootably daily offers. These are different offers that if you click on them, you have different tasks to perform on this platform and you earn money. You can equally participate on daily surveys. As you can see, I've clicked on daily surveys. When you open up, you see the surveys that are actually available for that day, which you can participate on. And these surveys are available based on the country in which you are currently living. In my country, I have one survey that is actually available for today, which will take me 21 minutes and I will earn 47 cents. So these surveys can be different depending on the countries in which you are living. You can have even up to 15 surveys in a day depending on your country. As you can see below here, these are the different earnings that has been earned by people from different countries that has been listed below the screen, as you can see here. So this is how you can make money on this platform. All you need to do is to come to earn money, then you click on the drop down arrow, then you select either you are viewing advertisements or you are taking surveys or you are participating in different daily offers, and money will be credited in your account. But make sure at the end of each day you go over to my account section, you click on my account. When you click on my account, it's going to show you how much you have actually made per day. As you can see right here, I've made 0.023 cents for this day. So if you find any value in this video, please give me a thumbs up so that this video can reach out to many other people as it has reached out to you. You can equally make money on this platform by referring others, and there are two types of referrals here. We have direct referrals, we have rental referrals, and rent referrals. Three types of referrals on this platform. So the more you refer people on this platform, the more money you equally make on this platform. Equally, make sure you subscribe to this channel and check out the other 3 videos that I have already uploaded on this channel on how to make money by clicking on ads. So make sure you check the playlist on the description box of this video below. Equally, check out other videos that I have already uploaded on this channel on how to make money online. There are so many videos that I have already created, and make sure you leave me a comment on the comment section below, and when I read, I'm going to respond to you. Equally, share this video with someone, and God bless you. See you in the next video.